Hi, boys and girls. Welcome to day 2 of poetry prep. So, yesterday, boys and girls, you focused on nouns. And what are nouns again? That's right, nouns are all around us. Nouns are person, people, places, or things, or an idea. Please make sure you remember about nouns, and if you need to go back to yesterday's slide and rewatch the video, you absolutely can. But today we're going to be focusing on adjectives, and I know you've heard your teachers describe adjectives or say what adjectives are. Well, adjectives are describing words. Here, Miss LaSpisa has a picture of a dog. Yes, it's a dog, which is a noun, but I want to describe that dog to you, boys and girls. This dog is large and chocolate brown. So now you have an idea of a picture of what I'm speaking about. I also have a picture of some hot soup. The soup, boys and girls, is hot, which is a describing word or an adjective. So, boys and girls, again, just like we did nouns, adjectives tell us about nouns. They tell us how something smells, such as stinky or fresh. They tell us about how something sounds, loud or quiet. So these are adjectives, boys and girls. We also have some more adjectives. They can tell us about how something feels. Oh, it's cold. Or so hot. They also tell us how something tastes, boys and girls. Sweet, like chocolate. Sour, like Sour Patch Kids or tarts. Spicy, tart, or like sour is another word or synonym. And salty. And adjectives also tell us how a noun looks. Something can be bright or beautiful, gorgeous, pretty, or scary, creepy, spooky, and chilling. Again, adjectives tell us all about those nouns. We know those adjectives can be colors too. They can also tell us about size as well. Large, huge, tall, small, little, or synonym for little is petite. And finally, adjectives can also tell us about how many, such as numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on, boys and girls. So Miss LaSpisa, again, you boys and girls can see adjectives are all around you, just like nouns are. And remember, adjectives describe nouns. So here Miss LaSpisa has her flowers. But if I were to use an adjective to describe these flowers, we can say the color. We can say how they smell. They smell fresh. We can also say how they feel or how they look. So an adjective here, boys and girls, for the flowers, I would say, friends, that it is pink and fresh and soft flowers. So they all describe Miss LaSpisa's flowers here. Another adjective I have for my noun, which is a lemon. I have a lemon here. I have a lemon jar, actually, friends. So if I were to smell, it smells very tart or sour. And the color is yellow. And finally, I want to also comment on the size of my lemon. Is this a large lemon, small, or little? I'm going to say the word little. So boys and girls, just to remind everyone, adjectives describe a noun, and they are descriptive words. Have fun, boys and girls.